ICC Cricket World Cup 2023 has occurred. The mighty spirited Afghanistan has defeated overconfident defending world champions England. Means I'm unable to register it. Mighty spirited Afghanistan has defeated defending world champions England. Overconfident, absolutely completely overconfident. मतलब पूरा चारों खाने चित हक्का बक्का चाबुक लगा दिया पूरा अफगानिस्तान का स्पिनर्स ने. मतलब लाजवाब बॉलिंग, लाजवाब कमाल का बॉलिंग. That too on a batting paradise where batsmen will have it easy. And England batting lineup, you know, till 8 down they can bat, but they couldn't tackle the Afghanistan spinners. They were absolutely well spirited and they were absolutely on fire. Absolutely on fire. Afghanistan coach Jonathan Trott, he is a former England player. He was a genius player. He was absolutely a genius player. So he has cricketing brains. If he would have continued to play for England, right? If he would have continued, if he would have not got that depression, and if he would have been mentally all right, he would have been legend for England cricket team. He would have been legend for England cricket team, and he would have been one of the greatest English batsmen. So he has become Afghanistan coach. So you see today's match, you'll observe one thing. Each and every England batsman, he has done a game plan. Drawn plan, sand plan. He has prepared a chart basically about all the English batsmen. He has prepared it and said to Afghanistan bowlers is that, today lads, we have to send these English batsmen from Delhi to Kabul. So he has prepared a pitch map, and you will observe that first wicket of Bairstow, that left-handed seamer Fazal has taken. Then second wicket Joe Root, Mujib, Googly, what a ball that one was. Mujib has taken. Then third wicket, Malan's wicket, Nabi has taken. Then Butler's wicket, this guy, who is that, Kacha Am has taken. 4 wickets. And fifth wicket, Livingston's wicket, dangerous man Livingston's wicket, the mighty genius spinner Rashid Khan has taken. तो हर एक बैट्समैन के लिए स्पेशल चार्ट प्लान था, ठीक है, जॉनथन ट्रॉट के हिसाब से. मतलब ईच एंड एवरी डिलीवरीज वर यूनिक. That Kacha Am has bowled the in-swing deliveries. What a ball that one was to get rid of danger man Butler. And Joe Root's dismissal, when Joe Root got out, that's it. Means England was in deep travel because he's the anchor man. If you get rid of basically the head of the snake, the whole snake will fall down. So they got that ball was a beauty. That ball was googly patak, pura patak kar diya pura. That one was absolutely brilliant. And this guy, who's that, Bairstow also got out cheaply. Okay, he got out cheaply. All the English batsmen, Livingston also got out cheaply. Then Nabi also, the way he set up the plan and the way he got rid of Malan, slowed down the deliveries and everything and built in the pressure and everything, they were absolutely superb. So the spinners have taken 8 wickets for Afghanistan. They have taken 8 wickets and they were absolutely on fire, man. Absolutely on fire. And Mujib was absolutely spectacular. That Googly has bowled to Wokes also. That Wokes couldn't read it. Then he has dismissed the dangerous Harry Brook. That Harry Brook was the only batsman who was looking dangerous and who has played well, who has played ideally in this wicket. Other than that, all the English batsmen has completely failed and become a disaster. They were absolutely overconfident. They were completely overconfident because in this wicket, nobody in the ideal mind will win the toss and elect to field first. Butler has won the toss and elected to lose the match. Seriously. And on top of that, he didn't play a spinner. This is a spin-friendly wicket. Okay, he didn't play Moeen Ali. Moeen Ali's batting is also there. He'll come in handy. He didn't think. He thought this Afghanistan is an easy team. We'll get rid of them below 250 and we'll chase down the score. Easily we'll chase down the score. They're absolutely novice. मतलब कुछ खेलेगा नहीं, कुछ नहीं खेलेगा, मतलब हम लोग आसानी से जीत जाएगा. He thought like that. So what happened? गुरबाज ने जो पेला है ना, Chris Wokes को जो पेला है, Chris Wokes, I don't think he'll play the upcoming matches. Chris Wokes means 4 overs for 40 runs or 50 runs he has hitten. And that Sam Curran, another 4 overs he has bowled, around 60 runs he has given. Okay, economy or 15 or something economy. So both of them bowled only 8 overs totally, fast bowlers. That Sam Curran and Chris Wokes, strike bowlers. गुरबाज ने जो चार्ज लगाया ना, जो पेला है ना, he has all range of shots. He was in total mood today, man. He was मतलब पूरा domination पूरा. मतलब सेटल ही नहीं होने दिया यार, कुछ नहीं होने दिया. मतलब सैम करन आया, लपकू झपका के कवर ड्राइव, बैकफुट पंच, और उसका खासियत है विकेट छोड़ के विकेट में आने दे, साले ऊपर उठा के छक्का मारेंगे. और आदिल रशीद को स्वीप लगा के मिड विकेट के ऊपर से छक्का, और मतलब मतलब स्वीप मार के छक्का लगा दिया पूरा। हर एक बॉलर्स को मतलब गुरबाज ने चार्ज करके खेला है, फ्रंट फुट आके पेला है मतलब पूरा। फिर सब रेंज ऑफ शॉट्स गुरबाज के पास था और गुरबाज ने आज शतक लगाने से मतलब छूट गया यार। वो गुरबाज ने इतना अच्छा खेल रहा था, वो रनआउट बेचारा हो गया, 80 रन से 85 रन से रनआउट हो गया। वो बिल्कुल सिंगल नहीं था। वो कप्तान ने क्या किया मालूम नहीं, गुरबाज मतलब पूरा फ्यूरियस हो गया था। गुरबाज अगर नॉट आउट होते, मतलब वो रनआउट अगर नहीं होता तो आज तो मतलब 150 तो वो खुद ही मार देता पूरा। ही वॉज टोटली इन मूड। But what happens is a tricky situation. Afghanistan today, seriously, Gurbaz is the main keeper. They have played another keeper, Ikram. Okay, they were also in tricky position. 190 for 6 wickets. 190 for 6 wickets. Okay, they also could have collapsed below 230 runs. They would have collapsed. Okay, but this Ikram, along with Mujib and Rashid, they have built 40 runs partnership. Rashid Khan and this Ikram has built 40 runs partnership, and Ikram and this guy who's that Mujib also what hitting यार, मतलब वो भी चक्का लगा दिया पूरा। तो वो दोनों मतलब 40 runs, 80 runs partnership, 270 runs they have bought in, 284 runs somehow they have bought in. That Josh Butler absolutely will be kicking himself। मतलब उन्होंने मतलब इक्रम जब 20 रन में था तब उन्होंने स्टंपिंग मिस कर दिया। क्या चुतियापा किया मालूम नहीं। मतलब बटलर थॉट दैट दिस अफगानिस्तान टीम इज एब्सोल्यूट नॉविस टीम, मतलब चिल्लर पार्टी टीम है, कुछ नहीं उखाड़ेगा, कुछ नहीं होगा। मतलब दैट केम बैक टू बाइट हिम। पहले तो टॉस डिसीजन में पहले बल्लेबाजी करना था, उन्होंने पहले बॉलिंग किया, ठीक है। ही थॉट दैट इजीली विल चेस डाउन नथिंग, दिस अफगानिस्तान टीम इज नथिंग। और फिर उन्होंने मोइन अली को नहीं खिलाया। दिस वाज अ स्पिन फ्रेंडली विकेट। बेचारा जो रूट उनको मतलब बॉलिंग करना पड़ा, मींस ही कुडंट बी फ्रेश व्हाइल बैटिंग। दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक ही गॉट रिड ऑफ मींस मुजीब गॉट रिड ऑफ हिम चीपली। मतलब ऐसा हो गया, मतलब कुछ नहीं कर पाया यार। मींस बेचारा जो रूट हैड टू कम एंड बॉल 4 ओवर्स। मतलब उसका फास्ट बॉलर्स का तो पूरा हक्का बक्का कर दिया यार पूरा गुरबाज ने। मतलब 100 रन का पार्टनरशिप, बाद में 2 क्विक अर्ली विकेट्स, फिर नबी ने कुछ पारी संभाला और वो इक्रम ने कुछ पारी संभाला। फिर बाद में तो राशिद और मुजीब ने लास्ट फिनिशिंग टच जो दिया था, 280 रन वाज अ फाइटिंग टोटल, समथिंग दिस पाकिस्तान टीम गोबर आजम शुड लर्न। घंटे का किंग दिस हाउ वाज दैट रिजवान शुड लर्न, एंड सम दिस मिक्की टिक्की किक्की शुड लर्न, okay, from this Afghanistan team. Okay, yesterday from 155 for 2 they collapsed for 190 all out. They thought that 300 runs we cannot score means we'll lose the match. They didn't even think अक्कल वक्कल कुछ है ही नहीं है पाकिस्तानी का, अक्कल वक्कल कुछ है नहीं। अक्कल कैसे रहेगा उन लोगों को, तो चिंता है कैसे इंडिया से पंगा लेगा, कैसे इंडिया को मतलब पीछे से चाबुक लगाएगा, कैसे हमेशा बीसीसीआई को दोष देगा, बीसीसीआई को आईसीसी बताएगा और हमेशा पिच के ऊपर ब्लेम करेगा और बोलेगा मेरे घंटे का किंग, मेरे चंटे का किंग। और गोबर आजम जो जिम्बाब्वे बी टीम के साथ मारता है उसको बोलेगा ओ विराट कोहली, बाबर आजम इज बेटर देन विराट कोहली, मेरे घंटे का लौड़े का बेटर देन, can't even convert 50 to 100। See how Gurbaz has batted, see how Gurbaz has batted today, that is how you bat। एक छक्का नहीं लगा पाया यार, एक छक्का नहीं। अफगानिस्तान ने तो आज में 7-8 छक्का लगा दिया पूरा। मुजीब ने 3-4 छक्का लगा दिया, राशिद खान ने भी 1 छक्का लगा दिया, गुरबाज ने तो 4-5 छक्का लगा दिया बैटिंग फ्रेंडली विकेट में। मतलब अफगानिस्तान सीरियसली यार, हैट्स ऑफ टू देम, एंड द स्पिनर्स वाज एब्सोल्युटली वर्ल्ड क्लास यार, वर्ल्ड क्लास। दैट मुजीब, the way he has bowled to Joe Root and the way he has given googlies today, seriously, he got rid of Chris Wokes also, and he got rid of the dangerous man Harry Brook. Superb that one was, means unexpected yaar. And in the power plays it's not easy to bowl actually. He's bowling in the power plays also, and he's restricting the runs. Nabi also very clever customer, matlab he's old is gold yaar. Mohammad Nabi, 38 or 39 years old is Mohammad Nabi is. Last time when India has played Afghanistan in 2019 World Cup, that time Afghanistan, this Nabi only was about to beat India. If that Shami didn't take that hat trick, then this Afghanistan would have means we would have been in the similar position last World Cup itself, like how England was in today. So Nabi, excellent cricketing brains here, excellent cricketing brains. Means 38, 39 years old, well experienced. The way he slows down the pace and the way he bowls at off spin, he is superb. Means Nabi, the way he got rid of dangerous Malan, right? Superb. And the fast bowlers also, they bowled stumps to stump, but somehow their line and length is not that great. But that Kacham, they got rid of that Josh Butler. No, that is his lifetime achievement, that Kacham. Seriously yaar, Afghanistan, hats off yaar, what spirit, what energy yaar, what energy, absolutely. Matlab England and upsets, greater love story than Twilight. In 1992 they have lost to Zimbabwe, 1992 World Cup they have lost to Zimbabwe. Then 2011 they have lost to Ireland and Bangladesh. Then 2015 also they lost to Bangladesh, and 2023 now they have lost to Afghanistan. ICC T20 World Cup also 2009 and 2014 they lost to Netherlands. So Afghanistan is the fourth country to upset England, and England was completely overconfident. They thought that मतलब वो लोग सोचा था कि अफगानिस्तान चिल्लर पार्टी टीम है, कुछ नहीं उखाड़ पाएगा. So they thought that they'll defeat Afghanistan because Afghanistan is not in good form. They have lost both their matches. Coming into the third match, they have lost both their matches. So they thought that their confidence is down. But their confidence is not at all down. They lost to Bangladesh and India maybe. But their confidence is full spirit here. Full hats off to them. Because Jonathan Trott is their coach. Jonathan Trott knows England top order and middle orders. He also was a batsman, right? Jonathan Trott also was a batsman. He knows that what is the weaknesses of the England top order and middle order. So he told the Afghanistan bowlers that bowl this line and length, then these English batsmen will go from Delhi to Kabul. सीधा काबुल में चला जाएगा. And also another master stroke was from the team management is playing that wicketkeeper batsman Ikram, replacing Ikram, and I think Najibullah, one guy was there, he replaced him. That guy, lefty for a lefty, that Ikram was पूरा छा गया, पूरा छा गया with Rashid Khan and Mujib, both of them 40-40 runs partnership with Ikram. So 40 plus 40, 80 runs partnership that got Afghanistan to a fighting total, and after that their spinners absolutely ripped England's batting lineup apart. That's it. Other than Harry Brook, none of them were confident. मतलब पूरा total हक्का बक्का रख दिया पूरा. Means hats off to Afghanistan here. Hats off. What a spirited performance. Even after losing the 2 games, their spirits are not yet down. They came here to play good cricket and to entertain the people.